newspapers then exposes 55 bandit camps in the southwest Nigeria. How many of you remember this man, the youth leader of Afenifere, the Yoruba socio-cultural group, who was kidnapped by the Fulani terrorists, and later when he was released, he just let them know the people who kidnapped him and promised that when they finish everything, the checkups and the treatment from the hospital, that he is coming out to tell us everything that transpired in the course of his adoption to the point he was released. And that is what he has come to do. He exposes that there are 55 Fulani terrorist camps in the southwest in Yoruba land. How did he know? How was he able to count the number of the Fulani camps? These are the things we are going to look into in this video. But for now, who can explain these signs that they are writing on the walls in Igbo land? Look at the Arabic signs they are writing on the wall, using it to show some person's direction. Who are they showing direction? Take a listen to this video.
This Arona leading to Ezio. Watch is here their language used. So umuna eno gamrai. Bia je with 10 minutes. Tiga na yes, ya sacha chan ne kwa madu nyodo. Watch now. After this one on this pest, share this one, leading to this place. Now, this is a signal that knows Oshinga for Ezioha Road. Yashinga link here to Ezioha Road. Look at this one, directing Kejene Imenpo Nakepumuru Coach, Manake Shuzulai, Potanga. Watch this arrow now. They have it as a signal. They return around about. Knows all like this. So now how the game here, and the woman now complain no that bakra on there biania he show ya migwe nanda bakra hore 6 men esno ha gacha in the daytime change and have their day here now another set of that bakra fa hakure again after the that bakra free with another 6 men again change is a bit of this thing. Now watch this one. This one lead from Ama Gahashreba Mantoni, leading to this place, heading to this track road. Upatamahana Uzezio again. Here on a fence on so leading to this place in video like the first one.
All right, definitely these are people